When do you think we might peak in this cycle? And also, what kind of levels do you think, that Bitcoin, I'm not asking for exact prices, but, what are we thinking Bitcoin this cycle? Do we think it's a $200,000 Bitcoin? Do we think this cycle happens at the end of 25 or is it 26? Do you have any rough ideas?
I think this cycle will probably peak towards the beginning of next year or end of this year. So that's my personal opinion. And I think Bitcoin definitely will go above 250, 300K. That's my conviction. I'm quite confident actually. I'm hoping and even thinking I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes even higher than that, like 500, 700K.
Really?
Would
that
be
quick?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we have Donald Trump right now. Like we have countries buying Bitcoin. We have El Salvador. We have Michael Saylor. Like in people, like massive entities accumulating Bitcoin now. So not only is their money flowing in, but they are inspiring other big entities to do the same. So I wouldn't be surprised. And that's why I keep buying Bitcoin as much as I do. And we're still early. Like most countries still didn't buy Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Most companies still didn't buy Bitcoin. It's still mostly like the crypto bros.
Yeah.
To be honest.
I can't believe the Bitcoin price when I look at it, and then I look at the news. I just can't even believe it. I mean, GameStop now, $5 billion on the treasury said they're going to buy some Bitcoin. Other corporates coming in there, Japanese corporates. The US now said they're going to build a strategic reserve, which means China has to, which means the UK has to, and Germany and all these countries. Like every day there's a new massively bullish piece of news coming out, and yet Bitcoin is still in the mid 80s, just kind of chilling. It's wild.
I agree.
Seems undervalued.
And that's usually the case with Bitcoin, that it will chill for some time. People get bored, and then out of nowhere, boom, it triples, quadruples,
Right.
And so everything will happen very suddenly.
Okay.
That's usually how it happens in crypto.
Okay.
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside, I view, is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the Investment Club.
So then Bitcoin makes its move, and then kind of directly after, you'll have that brief altcoin season where it'll just be manic, where every crypto bro thinks they're the geniuses, and it starts getting really stupid, the behavior out there.
Yeah.
I had a guy from a big VC fund in here, and he said, Brian, there's 3 indications of when you know the bull market's peaked. He said, number 1, your Uber driver asks you what crypto to buy. Okay. Number 2, your buddy from high school texts you not about Bitcoin, but about some random altcoin. Okay. Interesting. And number 3, you go to the club and 80% of the tables are crypto bros.
Yeah.
And it's funny at first, but I think those are pretty good signs. Right?
Those are probably the best signs, yeah. And also, I remember last bull market in 2021, when we were in Monaco Grand Prix, we had all these yachts, and literally every single yacht was crypto people. We had our yacht, me and a few friends, like a beautiful, huge yacht, and then next to us, like this crypto exchange, crypto project, crypto this, like just crypto yachts, like that's a peak bull market. It's so funny. And I know some of these people now, like they lost most of their money, like they are not doing any yachts anymore. So like peak bull market, you'll see that. It's pretty crazy.
So you look for these signs, you'll look for dominance, maybe total market cap as well. Because right now it's around 3 trillion, and maybe when that gets to 8 or 6 or 7 or 8, you might be thinking, okay, maybe this is the top, or if Bitcoin dominance starts going low.
I think I don't look at you mean for calling the top of the cycle.
Yeah, maybe total market cap. I don't know.
Okay, so I will give you the best way to do that actually.
Okay.
I think the stock to flow ratio model is the best way to pick the top of the bull market.
Okay.
Because,
what is that for people that don't know?
So basically, it was founded by a guy called Plan B. He's big on Twitter and YouTube. And basically, the stock to flow ratio of any asset is the ratio between the stock, which is the already existing supply, and the flow, which is the inflation. That gives you a ratio.
Okay.
And so, for example, with Bitcoin, the stock to flow ratio will change every 4 years because of the Bitcoin halving. So the ratio goes up when the inflation gets cut in half, and then you will see a line that goes like this, like an exponential curve. And what he found was that actually, not only Bitcoin, but all assets in the world, they follow the stock to flow ratio. So gold, even fiat, like all these different assets, they will follow that ratio. So Bitcoin is no different. And if you look at this ratio, you will see that every single halving, every 4 years, you will see Bitcoin catch up with the ratio, catch up with that curve. And if you look at it every 4 years, you will see that Bitcoin basically is right now following that exact trajectory. And usually a bit like over like 1 year after the halving, you will see the peak. And we're still not there. So I think according to the stock to flow ratio model, mid this year, towards the end of this year, that should be like the peak crypto mania, you know?
We don't know a price, but we know like a timing of it.
Well, actually, also price.
Okay.
So the average price according to the stock to flow ratio model should be around 350K.
Okay, interesting.
Average price. Could be lower, could be higher, but that should be like the approximately.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.